Hey guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So as you may have already read in the title, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all my current winter body care as well as skincare routine. So now that winter is here, it is time to change your skincare game. And not just for winters, I feel with every changing season, your skincare also needs to be season appropriate, right? So now that winter is here and there's a lot of dryness in the air, it tends to, suck out the moisture and the hydration from your skin. And that is why there are certain ingredients that I definitely feel you should include in your skincare products so that, you can replenish the lost moisture and, reduce the dry and rough feeling that you get on your skin. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my complete body care and skincare routine that I'm currently following for getting that beautiful and hydrated glowing skin. So let's begin. So before I begin talking about the products, let me just quickly share that there's a huge giveaway for this particular video, the details of which I have shared towards the end of the video. Okay, so please make sure you're watching this video till the very end, and also I've given a few details about the same in the description box below as well. Right, so now without further ado, let's begin with the video. So the products that I'm going to be talking about in today's video is by the brand called Pilgrim. So if you do not know, Pilgrim is a brand that aims to unearth beauty secrets from all over the world for getting beautiful skin and hair. And all of Pilgrim products are also cruelty free, sulfate free, paraben free, 100% vegan, with no toxic 20 chemicals. And also Pilgrim is an FDA approved skincare brand. So Pilgrim has just launched an extension to its already existing Squalane range, which is inspired by the secrets of Sevilla, which is in Spain. So there are 4 new products that they have launched, which is their Squalane Body Serum Lotion with 5% niacinamide and ceramides, the Squalane Body Serum Lotion with Phyto-Retinol and Hyaluronic Acid, the Squalane Body Serum Lotion with 5% Lactic Acid and Glycolic Acid, as well as the Squalane Glow Body Oil. So currently for my body care routine, I'm using the Pilgrim Squalane Body Serum Lotion, which contains Phyto-Retinol as well as Hyaluronic Acid, as well as the Pilgrim Squalane Glow Body Oil. So first let's begin with the Body Serum Lotion. So this Squalane Body Serum Lotion contains squalane, phytoretinol as well as hyaluronic acid. So squalane helps to hydrate the skin and softens the skin texture. Phytoretinol is a safe and effective plant-based retinol alternative that delivers same benefits as retinol but without irritation. And hyaluronic acid hydrates and nourishes, softens the skin, and also reduces the appearance of wrinkles. So these active-based serum body lotions are infused with high-performance active ingredients that deliver visible skin transformation. So this body serum lotion, as the name suggests, has a very lightweight creamy texture that gets easily absorbed into your skin, and it also has a very soothing fragrance to it. So to use this product, apply on damp skin post shower and gently massage it in long flowing strokes till it gets completely absorbed. And also please use a good broad spectrum sunscreen during the daytime. So this body serum lotion by Pilgrim really helps to deeply hydrate your skin and get rid of all of the dryness that you may face during this harsh winter climate, and it actually leaves my skin feeling so much more smoother and brighter. So you can use this Pilgrim body serum lotion on its own as well, or else if you have extremely dry skin, then you can also follow it up with this Pilgrim Squalane Glow Body Oil. So this Squalane Glow Body Oil contains squalane, sweet almond oil and argan oil. So squalane hydrates the skin and softens the skin texture. Argan oil is a great moisturizer for both skin and hair because it is full of fatty acids, and sweet almond oil is rich in vitamins A and E, and it helps to nourish the skin and also helps to lighten the marks. So this Squalane Glow Body Oil, as the name suggests, can be used alone for that beautiful glow on your skin, as it is a very lightweight oil that gets easily absorbed into your skin without greasy or sticky feeling. So to use this oil, just take 2 to 3 drops of it and gently massage it all over your arms and legs, and you will instantly see that beautiful glow on your skin. So especially if you're someone like me who, has to be in an AC environment for longer times during the day, then I would highly recommend that you should definitely try out this Pilgrim Squalane Glow Body Oil, because whenever I use this, oh my god, my skin feels like butter, smooth, all day long with a very, very beautiful glow. So currently for my body care routine, these are the only two products that I'm currently using. I just use this during my daytime skincare routine and this body oil during my nighttime skincare routine. So now let me show you the products that I use on my face, okay? So for my daytime skincare routine, I love using the Pilgrim Squalane and Phyto-Retinol Age Defense Moisturizer, which also contains peptides. And for my nighttime skincare routine, I love using the Pilgrim Squalane and Phyto-Retinol Age Defense Creme Serum, which also contains peptides and which is also fragrance free. So for my daytime skincare routine, I only use this Pilgrim's Squalane and Phyto-Retinol Age Defense Moisturizer, which also contains peptides. And this moisturizer is basically like, Botox in a bottle, It is that amazing for aging skin because of all of these amazing ingredients like squalane, phytoretinol and peptides. It is super, super amazing as an anti-aging product as well. So this moisturizer really hydrates your skin and also targets signs of aging without any irritation, and it also helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and it also firms, plumps and tightens the skin, making your skin taut and youthful. And squalane acts as a moisture magnet and replenishes much needed water content in the skin, and it also acts as a natural hydration lock-in. So this moisturizer by Pilgrim is a perfect moisturizer for daytime use, and you always have to ensure that once you are done, applying this moisturizer, you have to strictly use a good broad spectrum sunscreen during the daytime as well. And trust me when I say this, if you are also someone who's over 30 or 35 years of age, you definitely need to use this product because it contains two of the most amazing ingredients that are perfect anti-aging ingredients like squalane and phytoretinol, which is very, very essential for us women who are over 30 years of age to reduce all of the fine lines and wrinkles that you may have started developing. And now for my nighttime skincare routine, I love using this Pilgrim's Squalane and Phytoretinol Age Defense Creme Serum, which also contains peptides. So the Pilgrim Squalane and Phytoretinol Age Defense Creme Serum also contains peptides that helps to improve skin elasticity. It also helps to boost collagen production and enhances the skin tone and texture. So this serum has to be used in your PM routine only, and you also have to use a good broad spectrum sunscreen during the daytime. So this serum has a very lightweight creamy texture that gets easily absorbed into your skin, and this should be used only after you're done cleansing and toning your face. So you can just use the serum on its own, or if you have extremely dry skin, then again you can follow it up with this particular moisturizer itself. But personally, I do not feel the need to apply any other moisturizer on top of it, because this itself is very, very hydrating and nourishing for my skin, and I definitely wake up to a much more brighter looking skin the next morning. So these two are the only products that I use for my skincare routine, and touch wood, now my skin feels a lot more smoother and brighter as well. So I definitely do feel that this particular squalane range by Pilgrim is very promising, and you should definitely try them out, especially the newly launched body serum lotions. They are super amazing. So if you want to try any of Pilgrim's products out, then you can get it at a flat 15% discount by using my coupon code, which is mentioned right here. But this coupon code is only applicable on Pilgrim's official website. And now coming on to the best part, which is the giveaway. So the giveaway rules are pretty simple. You just have to follow Pilgrim on their Instagram account, which is @discover.pilgrim, and you have to like 3 posts of their for additional brownie points, and then you have to comment below under this video #Pilgrim Body Serum Lotion, and also you need to mention the product that you would want to win for your entry. And winners will be announced in the comment section below on 30th November. So I've given the direct links of these products in the description box below, along with all of the details regarding the giveaway as well. So please make sure you're checking the description box for the same. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful and helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you're watching me for the first time, then please do take a moment and hit the red subscribe button, because it would really mean a lot to me. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye-bye.